What's up, guys? It's Joe. Hope all is going well. So recently I upgraded my floor mats in my 2016 WRX STI. So I had the original Subaru OEM all-weather floor mats, and I liked them, but they didn't quite provide as much coverage as I wanted. So I recently purchased Husky. They're called Floor Liners. They're the WeatherBeater series, and I'm liking them so far. So when I installed them, I just took a few quick clips. So I figured I'd share that with you. So I'll show you a before and an after for both the front and the back seat, along with some commentary and my thoughts, and then I'll wrap everything up with my final thoughts of the floor liners. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, give me a like, I'd appreciate it. And for more content, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you afterwards. Here are the Subaru OEM all-weather floor mats installed in the front. As you can see, they did a nice job protecting the carpet. However, they did not cover the whole area. With the mats removed, you can see how there are things like dirt and road salt, which have gotten down in the carpet in the areas that the floor mats did not cover. In comparison, here are the Husky floor liners installed in the front. As you can see, they provide much better coverage of the floor. On the driver's side, the liner goes up behind the pedals and reaches further back toward the seat rails. The liners also have more material on the side, allowing them to extend up along the vertical portion of the door sill. This even covers the gas door lever. Fortunately, the liners are not a rigid material, so you can easily bend the liner back out of the way to access the fuel door lever. You can also cut this part back if you prefer to not cover the fuel door lever. It's the same story on the passenger side. Much better coverage overall, with the mat extending up along the door sills again, similar to the driver's side. So let's take a look at the rear seat floor mats. As with the front, they aren't bad, providing pretty good coverage. I rarely have anyone in my back seat besides my kids, so the carpet really wasn't dirty at all. But you can see how the same situation could present itself as the front with things like dirt and road salt. This shot shows the difference between the Subaru mats and the Husky floor liners. As you can see, the Husky liners provide much better coverage on each side, and even cover the center because the two sides are joined by a center section. Here are the mats installed in the back. As with the front, they look great since they're molded to fit the car. So I hope that kind of sheds some light on the difference between some of the OEM floor mats versus the Husky floor liners. I highly recommend them. You know, they provide a much better coverage as far as spills or rain or snow, whatever it may be. And they look really good too. They're really well integrated into the vehicle. The downside is they are a bit pricey. I think for this car, they're about $165 for front and rear. So they're certainly not cheap. If that's a bit outside of your budget, what I would recommend is looking on Facebook, which is actually what I did. You know, I got them off a guy that had sold his WRX, didn't need them anymore, of course. So I paid about 80 bucks for mine, which is a no-brainer at that cost. in my opinion. So like I said, I do highly recommend them. You know, whether you have an STI or another car, I'm sure they're the same quality. You know, I can't comment firsthand, of course, but I would imagine. But yeah, for a WRX or STI of the latest generation, 2015 plus, I highly recommend them. I love them. So yeah, I can't speak highly enough about them. So yeah, that's about all I got today. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. So if you like the video, if it delivered value to you, be sure to hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more content. And I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.